Fintuity Investment App Pricing explained what you get for your money. Fintuity is an investment app designed for goal-based investing with automation and low-cost portfolios. Many assume such apps have hidden fees, but Fintuity keeps pricing transparent. The app is free to download, and you can open an account with no minimum deposit. Fintuity charges a straightforward 0.25% annual management fee on your portfolio, which covers automated portfolio allocation, rebalancing, and access to investment insights. There are no commission fees on trades, and deposits and withdrawals are free. Most people get this wrong by thinking automated investing apps are expensive. The surprising truth is that Fintuity offers professionally managed portfolios at a fraction of traditional advisory costs. For example, if you invest zero, the app will automatically diversify across global ETFs according to your risk profile and rebalance periodically to maintain your allocation. The app also provides goal tracking and performance analytics, helping you stay informed and aligned with your financial objectives. Notifications and educational resources make investing accessible and less intimidating. In conclusion, Fintuity provides affordable, transparent pricing for automated, goal-driven investing. It's ideal for beginners and experienced investors looking for simple portfolio management without hidden fees or unnecessary complexity.